There are people on Nextdoor right now posting need a landscaper, looking for a plumber ASAP, and when you get to the comments, you'll see 10, 15, sometimes even 20 different businesses all fighting for that one job, all trying to get attention, hoping they get picked instead of the other competing business. Now, what we do is we go straight to those businesses and turn them into clients. Now, if you're trying to get a client right now, you're probably doing what everyone else is doing, running paid ads or cold calling, sending DMs, maybe even buying leads. And if you're being honest, it either doesn't work consistently or it takes way more time than money. But what most people don't realize is that there are homeowners going on this app every single day, actively looking for services, and the businesses replying to those posts are the ones who clearly are hungry for work, clearly trying to grow, and most of them don't even have a real system or solid website or any automations or any ways to follow up to actually capture and convert the leads they're chasing. So they're stuck constantly fighting in the comments. Meanwhile, we can reach out to those exact businesses and show them how to actually get their own leads and not have to compete for them. And this isn't a theory. I personally close deals doing this, and I've got people inside my program landing anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month extra in MRR using the exact strategy of Nextdoor. Now look, you can do ad spend, you can make Facebook ads, you can do cold calling, all those are still great, but I just wanted to show you an actual additional way of outreach that you can use to go ahead and close deals for your agency. I'll show you exactly what we're offering them using Go High Level, building the websites, adding the live AI chatbot, adding the Google review automation, all those different systems that we can implement into their business. I'll be showing you so that way you can know exactly where to start from point A with the outreach all the way to the fulfillment side. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so here we are on Nextdoor. So all you do is just literally go to nextdoor.com, create a brand new free account, and then you just set up your radius of where you're located at, and you can see what I'm going to be talking about doing this local outreach for people in your area. And that's what else is really great about this business model, is that these businesses are local to you. So that gives you a vantage point, because who are they more likely going to decide? A marketing agency that's outside of their state or not by them, or someone that is. So it's building that trust and credibility right out the gate. So as you can see, we are on nextdoor.com, and let's just take a scroll. I literally just opened up Nextdoor, and so I don't even know what's going to pop up, but I can guarantee you someone will be asking for work and there will be businesses below it. So what Nextdoor is just pretty much a platform where people sign up and it gives you news updates or just people conversating about what's going on in the city. So scrolling down, we just had Vista Pros, paint the exterior. So you can see this person had a great experience. So if you wanted to, you can probably give them a call and be like, hey, I saw someone left, a positive review for you on Nextdoor. I saw that you didn't have a website, so just wanted to let you know that I go ahead and built one for you. And so let's see if they have one. So it seems like this one actually does. Let's go ahead and click on it and let's see. So this is actually very surprising. This is a pretty decent looking website. I don't see a lot of optimization on it. So I mean, you could still give them a call, see if they're even like their site, but it does have a really nice video in the background. So let's just leave that alone. And then scrolling down, let's actually find someone that made a post asking for work from someone. So let's keep scrolling down, keep on going, scrolling, and I'm in need of a handyman to help with the bathroom sink. You can see literally right here, 3 hearts. I'll go ahead and like it myself, make it 4. And then let's go ahead and look at the comments, and let's see previous. And so you can see, look, there's a guy that just posted this right here. He has a nice little flyer. I'm not seeing any website link on here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. So he probably doesn't have one. Let's see this one. Let's open it up in a new tab, and let's see. Yeah, so no website. See, Louise Handyman Services, and you can see the photos that he has. And he's also credible because Nextdoor actually does what's called Nextdoor or neighborhood faves. And so you can see he got it in 2024 and he got it in 2025. So this guy definitely is credible and he has been doing a good service. So this is literally the perfect example of someone that you can outreach to. And look, there's other people below it. American Maintenance Solutions. This one probably seems like a bigger company, but let's take a look. Yeah, see, again, I don't see any websites and they still have the neighborhood favorite badges. So 2 businesses literally in the span of 1 minute I found on Nextdoor. And again, these businesses are local to you wherever you're at. So this is a super strong lead source that you can use to, again, call these businesses, offer them a free sample website. And if you don't know what a free sample website is, all that pretty much is that you're going to give them a call, let them know that you built a free sample website, and then get them to agree to show up on the demo. Don't let them tell you, oh, send it to my email, send it to my text messages. You don't want to do that. Just make up some excuse like, hey, the website isn't on a live link, or I can't show it to you. I can't send it anywhere just because, I don't know, just make up a random excuse that you can think of in your mind. But you just need to get them on the Zoom call so that way you can actually show them the website, put that in-person pressure on them, and show them the other services that we can offer, such as the live AI chatbot and the Google review automation system. So now that I showed you how to actually source the leads from Nextdoor, let's say that you actually get someone to agree to the demo. So you either need to hire someone like a VA to go ahead and get that done, which, by the way, if you sign up using my link, you get my direct VAs that I work with, and they can build you an amazing looking sample site, or if you end up closing them, the full site. So just a little heads up there if you do that. Or you can go to the Go High Level library, which I'll show you how to do that now, and build them a sample sample website, or you can use Go HighLevel's AI website builder, which again, I'll show you that in this video as well. So let's go ahead and go down the route of going to the template library. So let's do it for a handyman. And so let's go over to HighLevel and let's actually build a sample website. So what you want to do is go to HighLevel. And by the way, you get a 30-day extended free trial if you use my link down below. And then also you want to go to sites, and then let's go to websites, and let's click new website, and then from templates. So now you can see the whole template library that Go HighLevel has to offer. And so let's go ahead and type in, maybe they have one for handyman, I'm not sure. So it seems like they don't. So let's just do one that's kind of relatively close. So she was asking for a sink install. So let's just go ahead and do plumbing, because that's part of the sink install. So you can see right here, all these beautiful templates for plumbing. And let's just go with this one. This is the first one that popped up, and let's click choose template. So now it's going to go ahead and add that template into your account. It's getting all the different elements added, sections added to the website, and just like that, you pretty much have a sample website almost ready. Now the only thing that you need to do is just add the logo, all those pictures of the business. So it's loading up right now, and then here you go, you can see it right here. So go ahead and swap out this logo with Louise. You can just make one off ChatGPT. You can do Louise Handyman Services, and it will go ahead and make you one, which actually I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Let me go ahead and get my ChatGPT pulled up. So I am on the ChatGPT premium plan, so I get pretty much unlimited image generations. And so you can see I dropped in the business name right here, make a logo for this, and let's click enter, and let's see what it comes up with. And so look at this, it built a logo that fast. And so all you would do is just go ahead and add it to the website. So let's go ahead and click download, and let's go ahead and get it added to the website with this little image icon. Let's go ahead and drop this in. You can see right there, boom, it drops in. And you can make this background transparent via if you just go on Google and type in background remover, many websites will pop up, and you can go ahead and get the background removed, or you can swap this background to be white and the text to be black right here, which again, just to show you that, just to show you how easy it is and how, beginner friendly it is to get this done. I'll go ahead and show you that. So let's see, background, let's go right here. Where'd it go? Okay, there it is. And so just to show you how easy and it is to edit these Go HighLevel sites and beginner friendly, you can literally go right here, boom, go to there, and then let's do the color. Let's make this black. And so you can see just like that, it automatically made these, swap the background to be white, so that way you don't even have to worry about that. And then also you can make this text black on the website. So just like that, it's that easy to customize these sites. Again, to change the buttons, let's just go right here. Let's say that you wanted to make this button white. So let's go ahead and go to general background color. Let's make this white, just like that, made the button white. And so all these websites are very easy to customize. You don't need to be some genius coder or have years of website experience. It's literally just pretty much plug and play with Go HighLevel. And I'd like to think of it as kind of Canva, but for a website builder, which is super easy to understand. So just like that, we kind of built him a sample website right there. Obviously, you would make sure that it's optimized 100%, even add his logo down here, but you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. And so the next thing that he is missing is a Google review automation, and he doesn't even have a Google My Business page. So that's first things first. We need to get that up and running. That's what I would tell him. We charge a $100 flat fee to get that started, or if you want to do it all yourself, then you can do it. We'll go ahead and send you the link to get started, and you would have to get through the approval, all those different things. So getting that done, that's whenever he can use a Google review automation tool. So right now I can guarantee you he doesn't even have a way to do that, obviously, because he doesn't have a Google My Business page. So that's another thing that we are going to implement for his business. So let's go ahead and go back to the Go HighLevel software. Let's go to reputation, and you can see this is where, well, actually you would go to the Launchpad to connect the Google My Business page. But once that is done, you have a whole reputation tab where he can actually ask for Google reviews via SMS requests. And he doesn't even have to do this on just the desktop. We also give him an entire mobile app called Lead Connector that he can use to send it on the go. But you can see this is the default message. Hi there. Thank you for choosing. It will automatically fill in the business name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds and leave us a quick review? The link below makes it easy. And it will automatically drop in his Google review link, which is very nice. Now, what else is great about HighLevel is that we can respond to his reviews on autopilot. You see auto responses, and you can see the type of tone that you would want this Google review automation to have. So you can see funny, professional, or you can choose up to 2 of them, and then you can kind of give it agent instructions. So you can depict what it does, kind of what the responses are, and then also the review source. So you can choose his Google My Business page right here, reply to all reviews, or you can do 4 stars or above. And you can also have a nice footer or always says thank you at the end. So again, all of this you are setting up for their business. This is tons of value. No other companies are doing this for them. 9 times out of 10, they're just offering them a website with no AI implemented. And the way that we actually implement AI onto his website is via the contact forms. So most of the time, whenever a business signs up, they just get an email. But who wants that in the year 2026? They don't want that. So that's why we come in and we send them a text message and an email whenever a new lead comes through. not only just that, the customer receives a thank you message via text and via email. So that is very powerful because now you are nurturing their leads as soon as they come through the door. And also for the business owner, they get 10, 15, 20 emails a day. Last thing you want is that 13th email to be a lead. And so that's why we put that system in place, and business owners absolutely love it. And so something else that you can implement is the live AI chatbot. So what this is pretty much a 24/7 receptionist on their website. And so to set this up, you just go under AI agents, conversation AI. You also set up the knowledge base. And so I already have it done just for the sake of the video. Don't want to make it too long and talk your ear off, but you just fill this information out, what the business name is, how you want, what channels you want it to respond on, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, SMS messages, chat widget, live chat. I have it on chat widget and live chat. That way both of those are being done. And then you can do the wait time before responding. You can customize this live AI chatbot however you would like it to be. And then again, you can set the bot goals so it actually knows what information it's trying to collect. So ask the user for their name, ask the user for their email, ask the user for their phone. So it's going to get all that different information that the business owner would need to fulfill the job, which they see tons of value in. And so look, let's take a look on how it works. ABC landscaping, the knowledge base is dropped in there. So this is for a landscaping business. So let's type in, hello, I want my lawn cut, and let's see what it does. We handle reliable weekly and bi-weekly lawn mowing, edging, blowing to keep your yard looking sharp all year. Our team is local. We offer straightforward pricing with no long-term contracts. Let's get started. What's your name? Just like that, their leads are automatically being fulfilled on their website. And that's if they come through live AI chatbot. Again, they're being fulfilled if they come through a contact form as well. So you're just offering infinite value to this business where it only makes sense for them to say yes and to implement it. So if we go over to the pricing page, which the pricing model of this business is absolutely amazing. And that's why I fell in love with it whenever I started this 2 years ago. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Rex, please blur out the domain on my site, please. And here's my agency's website. You can see we have setup fees. Sometimes we do get them on a setup fee. Sometimes we don't. If they come from an ad or if they're local, we'd waive the setup fee. And so you can see $97 a month, $297 a month, and $497 a month. Now, everything I showed you is in the $97 a month essential package. And so just like that, you can be making $100 a month off of each client you close. Imagine how impactful that is. Imagine bringing an extra $3,000 a month home for you and your wife, your kids, all those different people in your life. And so having $100 a month coming in on autopilot is definitely powerful, which is great. And so I've done different business models out there. I've done Amazon FBA, I've done YouTube automation, and all of them, you have to start over from zero. With this business model, you do not have to do that. And that's why I absolutely fell in love with it. So I showed you exactly how to go to Nextdoor, how to get these leads all the way up to the fulfillment process in the end, and how much you can charge them for this. So if you want to watch my last video, go ahead and click, no, this side over here, and see you in the next one.